Watch it now, you'll like it.
So I've been using Huawei's GT2e watch pretty much since it was launched, and I'm a big fan of it, and that's why I'm super excited to have partnered up with Huawei to show you guys the new Huawei Watch Fit. So you'll notice straight away Huawei has taken a different approach to the shape of the device. It's giving you a bit more screen real estate on the vertical axis. So what we have here is a 1.64 inch rectangular AMOLED with 325 pixels per inch, 16.7 million colors and ultra thin bezels, which basically gives this watch a 70% screen to body ratio. And if you're wondering what the body of the watch is made from, it's fiber reinforced plastic. And I know what you're thinking, plastic? Yes it is. It kind of looks like metal, but there's a good reason why Huawei have decided to go with this approach, and that's because they've managed to reduce the weight of this watch down to 34 grams, and that's very comparable to a regular fitness band without a screen that big. And on the back of the Huawei Watch Fit is a raised surface and the usual sensors for monitoring, and the 2 points of contact for Huawei's proprietary magnetic fast charger. And the straps are removable, and they're available in 4 different colors: Sakura pink, mint green, cantaloupe orange, which is the one that I have here, and graphite black. And when it comes to actually removing the straps, this is how you do it. You need a little flathead screwdriver just to pop these little pieces out, which kind of lock the straps in place. Once you've replaced the straps, you put the little locking piece back in, and that's it. Now this is something I know you guys are going to ask about. At the time of this video, there is 130 watch faces available on the Huawei Health app to choose from. And yes, you can also create your own using your phone's photo gallery, which is a really cool add-on. But you know, one really great feature when it comes to watch faces on the Huawei Watch Fit and the other new watches from Huawei is that they've made the platform an open source platform, which means third-party designers can create and upload their watch designs to the gallery on the Huawei Health app, which means that number, 130 watch faces, will grow in the future. So on to usability. When it comes to day-to-day use, you could just use this as a regular watch. It's stylish enough not to be mistaken as just a Fitband, and that's a definite win if you ask me. And you can also use it to do cool things day to day, things like finding your phone,
I'm here, I'm here,
controlling music, setting alarms, controlling your phone's camera at a distance, and there's even a smart alarm setting where the watch will actually tell you what time you should be waking up. But the reality is the Huawei Watch Fit has been designed for people who really want to keep tabs on their fitness, and there are so many workouts on this watch. Let me read them to you. So we got running, outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor walk, indoor walk, which is what I do a lot of, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, pool swim, open water swim, aerobics, group training, yoga, Pilates, CrossFit, functional training, physical training, taekwondo, boxing, free sparring, karate, fencing, belly dancing, bungee jumping, parkour, BMX, orienteering, parachuting, and motor racing. So ultimately, at the moment, there are 96 different types of workout settings on this device. And as well as being able to track all of those activities, the Huawei Watch Fit can also track sleep, stress, SpO2 levels, calories burnt, distance traveled, and all of the usual stuff that we see on fitness bands. But with that said, the Huawei Watch Fit is now more accurate than previous generations thanks to Huawei's 4th gen True Scene heart rate monitoring and True Sleep 2.0. And the way all the data is displayed on Huawei's Health app is very, very easy to read, and it will even give you advice based off of your activities or lack of activity. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, let's move on to the awesome features, and here is a list of what I consider to be the most awesome features in my opinion. So the watch houses your own animated personal trainer. There are 12 different exercise courses to choose from, and check this out, it will literally show you what you should be doing in those courses with an animated graphic on screen. And one of the personal training courses that I use a lot is the neck and shoulder relaxation, because I'm always hunched over at the computer editing videos and stuff like that for hours on end, and that one I find really useful, and the way that it talks you through it step by step and gives you the right timing to hold the poses and stuff like this is so useful. I will be checking out some of the other ones later on, but that one is something that I found useful immediately and something I could use straight away. So the personal trainer feature on the watch, that's awesome. So pretty much any smart band or fitness watch can give you statistics, but the great thing about the Huawei Watch Fit is it uses that data and gives you scientific advice based off the data so that you can better yourself the next day. It is literally like having your own personal sports scientist right here on your wrist. So the fact that it uses real science to help with your fitness, that's an awesome feature in my opinion. And here's another one. You know what I always say about smartwatches, the one problem that they'll always have is when out of power, they become pretty stupid. But with that said, that shouldn't be the case with this one, because just 5 minutes charge will give you a full 24 hours of power. And 30 minutes will get you up to 70%, and when fully charged, the Huawei Watch Fit will last you between 7 and 10 days, and that's some serious power efficiency right there. And that is truly awesome. And maybe one of the most awesome things about the Huawei Watch Fit is how it looks. It's so stylish. It doesn't look like a typical smart band or fitness watch. The fact that you can change the color straps is awesome. I personally would go for the black one or the mint green one. The customization of the watch faces is also a big deal. You can really make it your own, so that's pretty awesome too. And if there's anything you guys want to know about the Huawei Watch Fit that I didn't mention in this video, let me know in the comments below, and if I get enough of those questions, I'll make an entire video answering those questions. So let me know anything you want to know about this watch below. And if you want to check out Huawei's latest free Buds Pro, there's a thumbnail on screen right now, or if you want to check out any of my other Huawei content, there's some other thumbnails right there. If you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.
It's interesting and it's fun. Try it. You'll like it.